My friend, when I first started making this video today, my goal was to bring you an awesome string trimmer, weed eater attachment. And I'm going to, but I'm also going to blow your mind. What's up, everybody? My name is Clint. Welcome to the Tool Review Zone channel. Now, if you like cool tools and new tools and reviews and all that good stuff, get subscribe, hit that bell notification. Because if you don't, you're going to miss out on videos like today. So let me explain. A couple days ago, I put out a YouTube short video with this string trimmer attachment right here. But what does it do? Now, bear with me. Just bear with me. Now, as you can see, this is a kobalt string trimmer attachment, dethatcher, whatever you want to call it. So let me explain what's going on. This cordless dethatcher, this attachment for your string trimmer, weed eater, whatever you want to call it, this thing is freaking awesome. And as far as I know, Kobalt's really the only one that makes this. And the reason I'm telling you this is because it's setting up the video. Who knew I had so much damn thatch in my yard? Now, this is not grass clippings. These are from cuts from years ago that I just blow towards my house and it just builds up and the grass doesn't grow very well there. So this thing has been phenomenal. The problem is a lot of people are missing out on this because, well, they're not in the Kobalt brand, but they might want this attachment. What to do. But you see, as I was getting ready to make this video, my friends, wow, it stumbled upon me that I could do something that I never thought was possible. Now you see that attachment, along with the other attachments that Kobalt has, goes on, well, this right here. You see, this is Kobalt's new attachment compatible brushless, well, string trimmer that you can put different heads on. It's pretty good. It's a little underpowered. It's a DI wire. But say you're not in this system. Well, I got some good news for you, my friends. Let me show you what I stumbled across. You see, my friends, as I was messing around making this video today out in the garage, I noticed that I had a couple other string trimmers laying around. And I said to myself, could it be possible? Could I put this attachment on those other string trimmers? Do I dare? So I did the only hot ham thing I could do. I took the two pieces of equipment and I snapped them together. It was like I was plugging in a light bulb in my brain. I felt the shock waves. But all I had to do was pull that trigger and see if it would work. When I did, I said, "What? Hot ham!" You see, not only did it work on my 40-volt skill power tool, it also worked on my new rigid power tool. Now, why is this important? Well, not everybody or anybody makes this attachment that I've seen so far. Kobalt is really the only one. You can see that's on my rigid right there. But now, even if you don't want that attachment, you want a different attachment from a different manufacturer, you can crossbreed. It's real nice like. Now, as far as it goes with these Kobalt attachments, yes, they'll work so far on the rigid. They're going to work on all the Skill 40-volt tools. However, on something like the Milwaukee Quick Lock, it won't work. The shaft is too big. However, if you're in the Ryobi, not Ryobi platform, it's probably going to work on that. And as long as you have something that looks like this right here, see that right there, that little button right there? You can see here's a Kobalt where that little ball goes into. You can make different, rotations on it and all that good stuff. Here's the rigid, same setup. And the Skill, same setup. So again, if yours has this setup right here, you can use different attachments on your weed eater, and those Kobalt attachments are real nice like. Got that sweet brush cutter right there. Got the hedge trimmer right there. Pole saw right there. Weed eater right there. I think that's all I got. So there you go. The Kobalt really did a good job with all these. And again, even though this might be a little bit more DIY homeowner, if you got a more powerful unit that those attachments will work on, well, you're going to be a real happy person. And I would be a real happy person if you would smash that like button, get subscribed. If you like this video, I got more for you right there. Also, let me know in the comment section below, what did you think about this awesome video? Back with more videos soon.